Okay, so in the last video we made the base of the hand. In this video we're making the fingers. We're basically repeating the process we did with the toes. You already know how to generate the cylinder. A zero image to give enough polygons to the piece, and that's all. And also very important, let's go to modify topology and mirror and weld. Alright, now we have both fingers and let's start to sculpt. The idea with these fingers is to make a shape that looks like this. The upper section is thicker than the lower. Also, we want the fingers to be a bit shorter and thicker. So with that in mind, let's get started. We activate the solo as we don't need to see the hand. Let's select the first subdivision. Just like we did earlier, we first adjust the general shape. The fingers should look like this. As I said before, this phalanx goes beyond this area where the knuckle is. This area should be as large as this other area. We select Dam Standard to draw a few lines. Let's raise one subdivision up to 3. Let's add some volume for the knuckles. Now we adjust with the move brush. Okay, so here it looks more or less like a normal finger, but we need to make it look thicker and shorter. Let's shorten some areas. Here the volume got reduced too much, so let's add a little bit. These tips here will give us some trouble, but after doing the zero mesh, when we combine it with a hand, it will be easy to fix. Let's go a subdivision up to make the nail. Let's fix something here first. It's convenient to change materials here, so the shadow shows us other details. To generate this finger, we basically need the move brush with a few clay brushes, but nothing else. Let's draw some lines for the nails, just like we did for the toes. We better select here stroke, then lazy mouse, and we increase the ratio. I don't have what you call a steady hand, but there it is. Let's make the adjustments. It's too square. And just like we did with the toes, there's a slope here. It's not so straight. It's still too square. Okay, so let's leave it here for now, and in the next we'll improve the look of the nail.